Welcome back, guys, to another so-called build series. This episode we're gonna talk about the exhaust. So as you know, I bought myself a brand new KTM 500 EXC from 2018. And the thing is, this exhaust isn't as loud as I want to, so I have a solution for that, and that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. Back to BLDH camp. So for that I have actually bought this one. Oh yes, FMF 4.1, but as you can see it says Husqvarna. Why I bought this one is that I got this from a friend for a very good price, and just don't quote me on this, and I've ordered the KTM sticker, so don't piss your pants. But yeah, this one is going on that bike. So the idea is that one is going to be replaced by this FMF Titanium. Boom! But now is the time where we're going to do a sound test. So we're going to go out and ride with this one and then compare it to riding with this one. So stock versus FMF, and this is without the DB killer. Let's go! So okay, so now we are at our first location. So the idea with this one is that I'm gonna ride into the woods, and then you're gonna like hear the echo. Like that, and that was the stock exhaust sounding. So let's go back to the man cave and switch to the FMF.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we
now is the time where we're gonna put on the FMF pipe. So in order to do that, we need to have an 8mm and then a spring remove thingy and then gloves. So yeah, let's do it. Gloves on. We take first our springy. Oh yes. Oh yes. And we take the FMF. Okej, nu ska vi bara se att den passar. Kom igen, please. Åh nej, är det den? Nej, måste man ha insats. Nej. På riktigt. Ja, den är mycket mindre. Fitta. This adapter. So I found out that this end cap is too large for the 500. It fits on here like this. Perfectly. So yeah. Because without this adapter, that one is too big. Yep, and then we'll see how we remove these motherfuckers. Well, det här kommer inte gå så det är jättebra. Så. And then now we can see. So I did some fiddling around, and yeah, now it's here. Awesome. So now we're just gonna tighten the screws, and yeah, this is without the DB killer. So hopefully this will be nice sounding. Oh, now it's on there. They are over the spring. So, now the FMF is on. Time for a sound check. Boom. Now comes the time for us to do the sound check of the FMF. So this is going to be interesting how much louder and how much nicer the sound will be. So,
Main review.
let's go. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Let's try to rev it. Oh my god! What? Oh my god, this sound, yo! What? What? This is... Jag är nöjd.
Damn! Ja,
Damn!
you should be.
Ja, fy fan. Alltså det, visst, när den idlade, då var det liksom bara, ja, alltså när det var lite mer basig typ, då var det typ 8 decibel högre. Men nu, när man gasar, där var jävligt stor skillnad. Då kan vi bege oss för en testride. This thing is really loud when you... when you pop it like that, damn. Let's go. We're gonna just ride around here and see what sound we can get. Jag gillar hur det har blivit liksom en crossbana. Ja.